Nzambi in the Bible. The Congo people call the Most High Nzambi Ampungutulendo. Variation of the name Nzambi among the Bantu is Yambi, traditionally the Bantu carried the name of God. In particular, the priests had theophoric names. Theophoric names were present in African tradition long before it was adopted in the Bible. For example, names like Mukalunga, Nzambikila, Mulungu, Wangai, Mwanzaleza, these are names that carry the divine essence. In Esdras, 1 Esdras 9:34, we read about the sons of the Levites and we are presented with a list of names. And among these names is Nzambis. Nzambis is Nzambi or Yambi. Nzambi is one of the names for God among the Bantu people. The Kemetic equivalent is Amun, the hidden one. Did you know that Nzambi was in the Bible?